excited today to share with you two great pool cleaning robots, two of my favorites, the iGarden M145. It's part of the M series, and it's a 145, a 155, and a 190 that's available, and the BeatBot Sora 70, also an awesome pool cleaning robot. This is a big beast of a system that cleans the walls, the floors, the water lines, and the surface. The iGarden M145 is an awesome robot. It has AI vision, it has 2 motors and dual cameras with all the AI technology to help you seek, find, and execute the debris extraction, and it will be able to stay in your pool for up to 30 days because of that very efficient 3D mapping of your pool. Let's get started on the technical truths, and you'll get to see each of these in the pool. The biggest highlight of the iGarden M series, it is its AI abilities and its debris recognition. Now that will target and execute more quickly, and giving you a longer clean time for each charge. It means that you have to fool with it a lot less. Now the suction power on the iGarden is 5,019. The suction power on the BeatBot Sora is 6,800. Now the battery capacity on the iGarden in the 145 model, it is 10,000 mAh, and BeatBot Sora, it is 10,000 mAh. The runtime for the iGarden is 4.5 hours, and for the 190, the upper version, it is 9 hours. Now with the BeatBot Sora, it is a runtime of 5 hours and up to 7 hours if you're just doing the surface cleaning mode. The charging time is about 5 to 6 hours, and the BeatBot has a fast charging option at 4.5. The iGarden has a Hyper Boost dual motor system, and the BeatBot has 8 motors included in this massive machine. Now, the debris basket is different. The debris basket is 4.5 on the iGarden, which is usually plenty for most pools, and it has a dual mesh system. You can see it targets fine debris. My pool's pretty clean, so you can see it got even the finest debris, and it also targets algae. And it has a vertical lift on it, which makes it very nice. Now the BeatBot Sora also has a vertical lift in it, and it has a 6-liter debris basket. Now this was run on a dirtier day. You can see it has leaves, debris, fine debris, and large debris as well. Also comes out very easily with one hand. Both of these, you can pull out the debris basket with those handles without having to touch the debris itself, and they hose off very easily. The BeatBot uses ultrasonic sensors, and the iGarden uses actual AI camera, and they both have great app controls and the ability to run it actually on the machine, which I love. I love not having to use an app. If your phone's not with you, or if someone else is doing your pool that day, they don't have to download the app just to run it. They both have really good displays. Now this iGarden's display is right here in the front. Now I love the fact that they're very easy to see. You can choose turbo mode. You can use all the different types of modes. You can pick the floors, the water lines, etc. You can put the timer on here, and it even has a AI mode that you can use. There it is. You can see that it will give you that quick overall clean, and then you have your battery indicator here. In addition to that, you have one button in the front that says on and off. So if you already have your favorites programmed, you can just simply touch that button and it will work that way. And now with the apps, both of them have terrific apps that give you options to control it live time, like a full remote control. Both of the apps are very professional, very easy to use, and I got them up and running in a few minutes. We do have other videos where we show you how to set up your app for each of these. They're both terrific. I love having the app option because I can operate it from inside my house without having to come out and actually touch the machine. They both have scheduling options. Now the BeatBot has an echo scheduling option for a slower time period, and the iGarden's real specific with the time. It's 24, 48, and 78, 2 hours, and also the AI scheduling. Now, one big difference, because each one of these has special features. The BeatBot cleans the surface. That's very special, very cool, and unique to this comparison. And the AI iGarden machine has a unique feature in that it can stay in the pool for 30 days. So this is really about convenience and super clean, and the BeatBot Sora does have to be retrieved each time and charged again, but it charges in about 5 hours, so you're back in business pretty quickly. But with the iGarden, you can actually leave it in the pool for a good duration because of the way it tracks and retrieves the system with the dual AI cameras. So This is a super AI technical baby, and this is your super all modes, including the surface, all-inclusive baby. This one's significantly heavier to take out of the pool, but it does clean everything. They will run for about 4.5 hours for the I-145 and up to 9 hours on the 190, and the BeatBot Sora will run 5 hours for floor cleaning and about 7 hours if you're just running for the surface. So you can choose on the BeatBot Sora, make it a surface machine or make it an all-inclusive machine. Now, we're going to show you some footage of each of these running in the pool and let you get more details on how you can get these great cleaning machines in your pool. Meet the iGarden M1 AI series with the biomimetic dual AI vision that actually sees the actual machine itself simply using the control panel. And you're going to give it a little shake, let the air out the first time, and there you go. Now, this great machine was provided for me, from my honest opinion, and I love iGarden products as well as all pool cleaners, and I am very impressed with its ability to clean. The AI vision technology is capable of transforming darkness into clarity to ensure coverage. It has cleaning power that is driven by the ability to see and capture every detail in a pool. The comprehensive coverage includes a technology designed to reveal every corner of the pool during the cleaning process with a human-like feel. The advanced hydrodynamics Aqua Advantage trackless four-wheel design meets Resistech corrosion-resistant materials built for lots of seasons and great climbing abilities to clean the ledges and the water lines. Look at those monster wheels go. It also has an AI target system which reads every inch and obstacle in real time. Suction and strategy adjust automatically with obstacle avoidance and just precise adaptive cleaning. It's a supercar inspired design and a 3-year worry-free warranty that gives you the ability to add to cart now because you know that you have a great warranty to back up this great performance. I highly recommend this MI series. It's new, it's innovative, it has all the great features of AI, and you just will have confidence that your pool will be clean and have the greatest technology to do the best job available so you can enjoy your pool for what it's meant to do. Simply swim and enjoy it with your family and friends. With those cameras providing OmniLogic and a real 3D view of your pool, there's nothing left for you to do but enjoy. With the Resistech corrosion-resistant materials, it's built for long-term durability, which you will be able to enjoy for years to come. Watching it clean the waterline, the floors, and all the ledges with great precision. Enjoy your pool, relax, because the M1 design is in charge. Want to know what the hype is about the BeatBot Sora? We're going to break it down each and every benefit, starting with the very best one, the surface. Look at the debris going right into the machine. The surface cleaning feature is my favorite of the BeatBot Sora. It's terrific for grass clippings and after a storm, which tiptoes the debris right into the machine. Cleaning with 6,800 gallons per hour, professional grade suction, and the 10,000 mAh lithium-ion battery will run up to 7 hours on water surface skimming mode and up to 5 hours on floor cleaning mode. Now look at this scrubbing right up to the top. Now it works here on my shallow tanning ledge. It climbs over the sloped walls that are hard to climb. It goes on the tanning ledge and goes all the way to the edge, cleaning the debris. And all that maximum power is in only 22 pounds. Now, look at it climb this water line. It doesn't just climb, it stays at the top of the water, and it cleans the water line with several pulses and turns of those powerful dual roller jets and caterpillar treads. And it stays at that water line and continues to scrub. It doesn't just touch it and fall back. The cordless design utilizes a ultra-safe titanium charging plug, which charges in about 4.5 hours with a maximum pool coverage up to 3,230 square feet on a single charge. I like this angle of the video here where you can see it from a distance climbing the wall and see how it stays at the top of the water line. It's really impressive. Look at the debris going right into the machine. The surface cleaning feature is my favorite of the BeatBot. And it tops it all off with a 3-year warranty. Now, I've saved 2 of the best for last. It has AI adaptive recognition of pool debris and its dimensions. It detects the dimensions and it gives it a smarter path because it seeks out the dirt. And that helps it retain its battery life as it seeks out the debris, pushing it into the machine. Which one is the best? Now watch all the way to the end. We're going to give you a side-by-side comparison on a graphic, and there's a couple of things that you're going to want to know about each one of these that might make a difference in whether you get them or pass. Now here's those two things that you're going to need to know to make a full comparison. Now the difference in the price is a little bit significant, but they're very close. They are very similar in price, with the BeatBot Sora usually coming in just a little bit higher. It does have that extra feature of being a surface cleaner, but the AI Super iGarden machine will be able to stay in the pool for up to 30 days on the AI mode. So there's your comparison. Do you want to leave it in the pool and forget about it and have a very clean pool, or do you want to have your surface cleaned as well with one machine? Both awesome. Now there's a tip to turning on the iGarden where you will want to press the button on the machine that says power for 3 seconds. Pick your mode and press it again, but a quick press. That's the difference maker that you need to know, so you don't actually turn it off again when you press it at the end. That's all you need to do. Put it in the pool and forget about it. Please like and follow us for more from these two great brands and others like these. We are your pool gurus. We love to tell you about pool motors,